Okay, so in the fine tradition that I've established of documenting some of the projects that I'm working on related to home automation, etc., I've got my latest project, and I was quite alarmed the other day to find that one still needs to make use of little colored chemicals mixed with vials of pool water in order to determine whether your pool water has the acceptable levels and the correct acidity, etc. So I've decided to take on the task of trying to automate this and to build a system, an electronic system to do that. And as per tradition, I'm using Raspberry Pi 3 in this case, and I'm not so sure this is necessarily the correct platform to be using, but nevertheless, it's the one I'm using for the prototype work. And I've got my T cobbler there, and I am connecting that to an MCP 3008, which is an 8-channel 10-bit analog to digital converter. And because the sensors haven't arrived yet, I'm just using two pots to simulate the inputs. So there's my code running. That's the shell, and I'm adjusting the one pot on channel 0 now. So you should see that number change. So you're seeing the serial port interface number change and the voltage change. And if I turn it in the other direction, you should see it go up, which it is. So it's actually measuring the voltage on the pot, converting it to a digital signal, and then sending that via serial port interface to the Pi. And if I turn the other pot, which is connected to channel 1, we should see a similar thing, which we are, except I'm having finger trouble because my fingers are getting entangled. There you can see the voltage is going down. If I turn it in the other direction, it goes up. So that's the first part of it. I'll keep you posted as to the rest of the project, and I'll give you some code samples when we reach a more advanced stage of the project.